When it comes to the care of aging loved ones, families often find themselves confronted with difficult decisions. The thought of placing a senior family member in a nursing home can bring with it a sense of guilt, uncertainty, and sadness. Nursing homes, while providing 24/7 medical care, often fail to offer the emotional fulfillment and autonomy that many seniors desire. The institutional setting of nursing homes, with rigid schedules and a lack of personal touch, may contribute to feelings of isolation and unhappiness. Furthermore, nursing homes can be expensive, making them an impractical option for many families. Fortunately, there are several alternatives to nursing homes that are not only more affordable, but also better suited to preserving the dignity, happiness, and independence of seniors. These alternatives offer personalized care, more flexibility, and a focus on social interaction and mental well-being. In this video, we will explore 6 better solutions than nursing homes that can provide elderly individuals with a higher quality of life, both economically and emotionally. 1. In-home care. One of the most practical and cost-effective alternatives to nursing homes is in-home care. This option allows seniors to remain in the comfort of their own homes, which is often the preferred environment for many older individuals. In-home care provides the necessary assistance with daily activities, such as bathing, dressing, meal preparation, medication management, and light housekeeping. It can also offer companionship and emotional support, which is crucial for seniors who may be prone to loneliness or depression. The main advantage of in-home care is that it offers highly personalized care, which can be adjusted to meet the specific needs of the senior. The level of care can be as minimal or as intensive as necessary, allowing families to choose the hours and types of services that best suit their loved one's needs. For example, some seniors may only need help for a few hours each day, while others may require full-time assistance. Financially, in-home care can be a more affordable option than nursing homes. The cost depends on the amount of care required, but since families are only paying for the hours of service needed, they have more control over the overall cost. Additionally, in-home care offers flexibility, and families can adjust the care plan as circumstances change. The benefits of in-home care include personalized care. The caregiver focuses on the specific needs of the senior. Familiar environment. Seniors stay in their own home, surrounded by memories and comfort. Cost-effective. Families pay only for the services they need, which can be more economical than nursing homes. Independence. Seniors maintain more control over their daily routine and lifestyle. 2. Assisted living facilities. Assisted living facilities are an excellent alternative to nursing homes for seniors who need help with some daily activities but still wish to maintain their independence. These facilities provide a middle ground between independent living and full-time care. Seniors live in private apartments or rooms and are provided with assistance for tasks like cooking, bathing, and medication management. Additionally, assisted living facilities typically offer social activities, transportation services, and community events, which help prevent isolation and encourage a sense of community. While assisted living is often more expensive than in-home care, it is usually less costly than nursing homes. The costs vary depending on the location, size of the unit, and level of care required, but many families find that the price is more manageable. Assisted living allows seniors to retain a level of privacy and autonomy while having the necessary support when needed. There are many advantages to assisted living. Independence. Seniors can live independently with the ability to access help when necessary. Socialization. With communal spaces and activities, seniors can make new friends and avoid loneliness. Affordable. Assisted living is generally more affordable than nursing homes, particularly for seniors who don't require 24/7 medical care. Wellness programs. Many facilities offer fitness classes, wellness initiatives, and mental health support to enhance overall well-being. 3. Shared housing or co-housing. Shared housing, also known as co-housing, is an innovative alternative to nursing homes that emphasizes shared living spaces and mutual support among seniors. In a co-housing arrangement, several seniors live together in a house or apartment complex, pooling their resources and sharing responsibilities for cooking, cleaning, and other daily tasks. This setup encourages interaction and creates a close-knit community of individuals who can provide emotional and physical support to one another. The financial benefits of shared housing are substantial. By dividing living costs, such as rent and utilities, between multiple individuals, the overall cost per person is significantly lower than what they would pay for living alone in an assisted living facility or nursing home. Additionally, co-housing arrangements often allow seniors to maintain a level of privacy and independence, as they each have their own private rooms. In shared housing, seniors are not just roommates, they are part of a collaborative, supportive community. This type of environment fosters a sense of belonging and reduces feelings of isolation, which is a common concern for seniors living alone. Shared housing can also be a wonderful option for those who want to live in a more environmentally sustainable way, as many co-housing communities emphasize eco-friendly practices. Some benefits of shared housing or co-housing include community support. Seniors benefit from the companionship and assistance of others in the house. Affordable. Shared living spaces help lower the cost of living. Independence. Seniors can maintain their privacy while still having others to rely on. Sense of purpose. Being part of a supportive community can enhance emotional well-being and mental health. 4th, day programs and respite care. For families who are capable of providing care at home but need additional help during the day or occasionally require a break, day programs and respite care are invaluable options. Day programs provide structured, supervised activities for seniors during the day, while respite care offers short-term relief for family caregivers who need time off. These services can take place in community centres, adult daycare facilities, or even in the senior's own home, depending on the needs of the individual. Day programs and respite care are ideal for caregivers who want to ensure that their loved ones are engaged and receiving proper care, while still being able to manage their own responsibilities. These services offer flexible scheduling, so families only pay for the time needed. For seniors, these programs provide mental stimulation, social interaction, and physical activity, all of which are critical for maintaining cognitive and emotional health. The benefits of day programs and respite care include flexibility. Caregivers can choose the days and hours that work best for them. Engagement. Seniors participate in activities that help maintain their mental and physical health. Respite for caregivers. Caregivers can take a break, reducing burnout and stress. Cost-effective. These services are typically less expensive than full-time nursing home care. 5. Live-in caregivers. Full-time support without leaving home. Live-in caregivers provide 24/7 support to seniors in their own homes. A live-in caregiver is a professional who lives with the senior and helps with personal care, medication management, meal preparation, and companionship. This option is ideal for seniors who need round-the-clock care but do not wish to leave the familiarity of their home. While live-in caregivers are more expensive than occasional home care visits, they are generally more affordable than full-time nursing home care. Additionally, live-in caregivers can offer a higher level of personalized attention, as they are focused entirely on one individual. This arrangement also allows for greater flexibility, as families can make adjustments to the care plan as their loved one's needs change over time. Key advantages of live-in caregivers include personalized care. The caregiver is focused on the needs of one individual. Familiar surroundings. Seniors remain in their own home, reducing the stress of a move. 24/7 support. Live-in caregivers provide continuous care, which can be particularly beneficial for those with medical conditions or advanced aging. Cost-effective. Live-in care is often less expensive than nursing homes. 6. Seniors' villages. Combining independent living with supportive services. Seniors' villages are intentional communities designed for older adults who want to live independently, but also have access to supportive services as needed. These villages offer a range of amenities, such as transportation, fitness programs, social events, and on-site healthcare services. The goal is to create a vibrant community where seniors can live fulfilling lives, stay active, and maintain their independence while also having access to assistance when necessary. The financial cost of living in a seniors' village varies depending on the location and services provided, but it is often more affordable than nursing home care. Since residents are able to live in their own homes or apartments, they typically pay for only the services they need, such as healthcare or housekeeping. Moreover, the community aspect of seniors' villages fosters social connections, which are crucial for emotional well-being. Benefits of seniors' villages include independent living. Seniors can maintain their autonomy while receiving support as needed. Social interaction. These communities encourage social engagement, reducing feelings of isolation. Wellness programs. Many villages offer health programs, fitness classes, and other wellness activities. Affordability. Seniors' villages are often more affordable than nursing homes, especially when considering the level of care provided. While nursing homes have long been considered the default solution for elderly care, they are not always the best option in terms of emotional well-being, independence, and cost. Fortunately, there are several alternatives that provide seniors with the opportunity to live fulfilling, happy lives while still receiving the care they need. Whether through in-home care, assisted living, shared housing, day programs, live-in caregivers, or seniors' villages, families have a wide range of options to choose from that prioritize happiness, dignity, and financial stability. Ultimately, the key to making the best choice for an aging loved one is to consider their unique needs and preferences. By exploring these alternatives, families can ensure that their seniors live their later years with a sense of independence, comfort, and joy, all while avoiding the often high costs and institutional atmosphere of nursing homes.